is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma4u, and I do videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a get ready with me look, and you're gonna get to see how I did this look, hair, makeup, and everything. As for my makeup, all the information will be in the description box. For those of you who know me, I'm still a beginner at makeup, so usually I just do a very basic, very clean look. Today, the look that I was going for was just a soft and pink look. Soft pink. Just think soft pink roses type of look. And I used for my lip gloss the pink strawberry, which is Kharyzma4u, and you can find this on my website, Kharyzma4u.com. Just so you guys know, I will be relaunching my website on February 2nd, 2023, which is just in a few weeks. New glosses, new products, new website look. Until then, the website is still open and pink strawberry is available. This is a favorite of mine and a favorite of so many of my customers. So check it out. Let me give you the info for the hair. The hair is 14 inches. It's synthetic and it's a short bob wig. As you can see, there are waves in it. So it's like these waves, loose waves. Also, this hair is in the color wine red. Bob wig, it's beginner friendly, no lace, nothing you have to cut. All you have to do is take it out the pack and put it on. Of course, you're gonna see how I do it. It comes with bangs. I kind of did like a swoop of my bang, but you can make your bangs blunt and straight if that's how you want it. I don't too much like my bangs like that. It's heat resistant, so you can use heat on it. And you can find this wig on Amazon. All the information will be in the description. Let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so that's my foundation, which is Black Radiance in the color Espresso. I love this foundation. It is perfect. It's very affordable, and it doesn't break me out. Like, it's hypoallergenic. I've been using it for a while now, like since I started my makeup journey. And I really love it. I have the link in Amazon, so in case you want to get it, definitely check out my links. But yeah, on my face before I put it on, I just had some oil on my skin. I always put oil on my skin. I like that oily look, not too oily, but I like my skin to look moisturized. I like to have that dewy look, so I always put that on to protect my face before I put on makeup, and that's what I usually wear on my face when I'm not wearing makeup. Jojoba oil or some kind of nourishing natural oil. So I'm just smoothing it out all over my face, and again, very light coverage. I always go for a nice, clean, basic, everyday makeup look. Nothing dramatic, something that looks like it could be close to your skin, like to my skin, that is. Thank God I have very good skin, so I don't have to put too much makeup on. Just a little goes a long way for me. And yeah, so that's underneath my eyes. I usually let it bake a little bit, and I just like the way the foundation gives me an all even look. And as you can see, the oil that I put on under gives me that nice little extra, you know, dewy look that I like. I know some people like matte looks, but I like that little dewy look. That's just what I like. So you gotta find what you like, experiment with makeup to find what you like. And if you're not a makeup person, that's okay. It's always good to learn how to do it anyway. So now I'm going in with my Merit Beauty's eyebrow brush. I did a video of get ready with me with this. I'll put this in the description, but I'm using it again because I love their products. I will leave my discount code for the Merit Beauty products in case you're interested. They have very good products, and you will get a discount if you use my discount code. So all the info again will be in the description. So you see the eyebrow on the left, it has it on there, and now I'm putting it on the right. So I'm just filling them in. I'm still learning eyebrows. I don't get my eyebrows done or anything like that. I'm still learning, so I really just fill them in, try to make them look really nice and clean. And darken them up a little bit. And now I'm just going in with a brush, just a regular eyebrow brush, to brush in everything, make it look nice, neat, and clean. So now I'm using my Ari J Cosmetics palette. That's the Dreams Come True palette. I couldn't figure out which color I wanted, but I went with the first one, and it was very, very light. I'm not used to using like eyeshadow that light. I was kind of scared because I'm used to using like neutral or close to my skin tone. So I was like, okay, let me experiment. We're gonna see. We're gonna, you know, experiment. It wasn't too bad. I was going for a nice pink, basic, like pink look, like a soft pink. That's what it was, soft pink, just like how you see I have like that soft pink head wrap. That's what I was going for, a soft pink natural look. And so I was like, okay, let me put it on, and I'm pretty sure that I balance it out with some a darker color. So I went in with my Trene Cosmetics palette. This palette is no longer available, but I always support small black businesses, and both of these eye palettes were from small black business owners, so I'm always so happy to support them. Yeah, so using the brown definitely helped to like darken it a little bit. I thought the pink alone was just a little too bright for the look I was going for, so it really, the brown helped to balance it out. So now I'm going in with it's a lighter I think it's a pink or something. I'm just highlighting a little bit under my eyebrows. Yeah, and as I brush it, it's not going to be so bright, but I notice even if it's the most subtle look, it still makes a difference. So that's what I like about having a clean, no makeup look. It looks really, really nice. I'm doing the same thing above my eyebrow, and just to give it a highlight, a little bit of highlight. Again, guys, I'm still learning, but I really, really love the way this is coming out. You see how my face has that nice little glowy look the way I like it. So I'm just smoothing everything out above my eyes and underneath, and that's pretty much what I was going for. Then I thought I would go in with that glitter, pink glitter, but I didn't know it was going to be so much. So there's more glitter than what I wanted, so I just have to make sure I don't put a lot next time, and I probably have to play around with it, but I just tried to go with the flow and work with whatever came out. So that's why I laughed, because it was like, it was looking like too much glitter. Like, I didn't really want that much glitter. So I went in with a tissue and just tried to take some of the glitter off, but it was a little bit hard to take it off. So I know better for next time. Glitter was getting everywhere, like on my cheeks, under my eyes. I had to keep trying to wipe it off, but it's all good. I worked with it. So now I'm just going in with a spoolie. I'm just brushing out my brows. I don't want to put on mascara because I don't have something to remove the mascara, and it kind of gets messy. So I've been taking a break from mascara, but this right here is my dual eyelash and eyeliner pen that's available on my website. I love this because it's an eyeliner and it's also a glue for when you want to put on your lashes. And I'm going to be coming out with some lash looks. I just have to keep practicing how to put on lashes, but I'm pretty okay with my lashes. They're not too long, but they're not too short, but they're okay. So now I'm going in with Merit Beauty's blush balm. I did a tutorial on this before. I'll link it in the description. I'm just brushing it with my blush brush, right? Blush brush. And it's really, really subtle, but again, a little goes a long way. That minimalist look when you're doing makeup really, really goes a long way. It just helps to refine everything, make everything just look nice, clean, and neat. And yeah, I love this look. I'm gonna have to look at this video to recreate this look because I really, really like the way it came out. So I just blended everything. I'm done with my face now. I'm going in with my lip gloss. This is Pink Strawberry. It is so soft on your lips and it smells so good. Available on Kharyzma4u.com. As you can see, it's a nice soft pink and it gives your lips lots of shine. It is so moisturizing to the lips. I love this gloss, and I'm just like patting some off because I put a little too much on, but you can never have too much lip gloss. So I'm going in with my Ari J lip liner pencil in the color Mauve, which is a very, very, again, subtle color. You really can't see it. You really can't see it. You can see it, it's just not a bold color. Sorry guys, I don't know why I can't talk today. but I'm just fixing it, and yeah, just cleaning it up. I love the way it looks. I love this pink look, and I'm just now smoothing everything out, smoothing it out, and yeah, I'm done with this look. So now I am gonna be ready to do hair. So it came with a wig cap and 2 little scrunchies, which I never got from a hair company before, so I was so happy about that. So all the links will be in the description. The link for this wig will be in the description, and everything about this wig is in the description, and I already spoke about it earlier. So I'm just putting on my wig cap. I just washed my hair and braided it. I didn't even blow dry my hair. I just air dried it some, and so my hair is nice and freshly washed, so I love it. And so this wig has 2 combs in the front, and that's all. There's no comb in the back. There's just an elastic band in the back, and as you can see, there's that middle part. It comes with bangs. Very easy, no lace, nothing to cut, nothing to glue down. You just have to put it on, and as you know, when you put on wigs, you have to style it. So you do need to take some time to learn how to style the wig you're putting on. I'm just trying to adjust those clips and adjust the wig. You have to make sure your braids underneath are flat, 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 flat. This wig, for some reason, like in the middle where that center part was, it was a little bulky, like, but I'm just brushing it out, trying to get those waves in. I didn't too much like the straight bang just coming down straight, so I swooped it to the side, and yeah, just try to play around with it to make it look decent and not so wiggy, although everyone would know it's a wig because of course it's a bright red color. This color is wine red, and I love red wigs. I love red hair, especially if I can wear a wig. I don't have to do anything to my hair. The wig is already colored, and then when I want to change my look, I change my look. I love wearing wigs. So I was just trying to go in with the comb to define the waves because it's naturally wavy, and then you can define the waves and then you can like brush them out or take them out. I played around with it. So now I'm going in with my Murray's Edgewax. I use that in the place of a wax stick just to keep stray hairs in place and lay it down. So that's my look. I hope you like it. Let me know in the comments how you like it. Thank you guys for watching. All links will be in the description. I love you all.